we want to add base 2 numbers. But before we do that, let us just review what it's like to add 2 base 10 numbers. I'm going to make a little table here. Use thinner lines. Let's see, this is my table with some columns. I don't think I need more than that. Alright, now I have a number. Let's say it is 2,576 and I want to add it to another number. Let's say it's a bigger number, 1,000, no, say 17,000, 5, 6, 4, 3. Alright, let's say these are the 2 numbers we're going to add. Remember, this is now reviewing base 10. Base 10. So this number consists of 17,000 odd. So it's 3 ones. Let's say this table has these columns in it. This is the ones, so it's 3 ones. Another column, this is 40, which is 4 tens. It's 4 tens, so I'll put it here. These are tens. Then 600, this represents 600. These are hundreds. The hundreds column, so I put 6 here. This is 7,000. So I'll put it as 7,000. No, this is the thousands column. So thousands. And it's 7. And then 1. 10,000. Remember, this one represents 10,000. So this number is 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 6,000. 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 3. So this is 10,000. Let's see. Let's put it by 10 to the 4. So this will be 10 to the 3, 10 to the 2, and so on. But you get the idea. So it's 1. Then when we have these numbers, this is 6 ones, this is 70, so it's 7 tens. Remember, this is 2,000 plus 500 plus 7 tens plus 6 ones. So it's 6 ones, 7 tens, 500, 2,000. Right? So just in case you didn't get it a while ago, this number is really 2,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 6. Now when you add up all of these, you get 2,576. And the same thing applies to this. Alright? Good. Now let us add these numbers. If you say 6 plus 3, it's 9. 9 ones. So the 9 belongs in this column. Let me put the answer in red. So you have the 9 here. 7 plus 4. Alright, 4 plus 7. What you're really saying, is 40 plus 70. It's really 40 plus 70 you're adding. 4 tens plus 7 tens. But let's keep it as 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is what? It's 11. So what you would normally say 6 and 3 is 9. Then you say 4 plus 7 is 11. You would put 11 over here, bring down the 1, and carry this one over here into the next column. It's really a matter of saying 4 plus 7 is 11, but it's 40 plus 7, which is really 110. So if it is 110, it means it's 0 ones, then this one comes here because it's 10, it's in the tens column. Then this that you bring over to the next column to the left, it represents 100. That's why you put it over to the next column to the left. You remember that, right? So it's here. So it's in this now is 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. 6 plus 1 plus 5 is 12. This is 12. You would normally say 6 and 5, 11 and 1, 12. Then you put 12, bring down the 2, and carry this one over here to the next column. You remember? The reason is because you're really adding 100 plus 600 plus 500. So it's really 1200, 1200 that you're adding. So you have 0 ones, this is 0 tens, then 2 100s, and you put the 2 here, and then this is 1000s. That's why you would bring it over to the next column. It's 1000, it's in the 1000 column. So 7 and 1, 8, 9, 10. When you add these numbers, it's really thousands you're adding, so it's 10,000. So what you're saying is 7 and the one that you bring here, 8, 9, 10. You say you bring, cross out the 0, put it down here, and carry this one over here to the next column, right? Because when you said 10, 7 and 1, 8, 9, 10 is really 10,000. So it's 110,000 plus 0. So let me put it here, 10,000. So it's 110,000, which is here, plus 0,000, 0 1,000, 0 100, 0 10, 0 ones. So you say 1 and 1, 2. Oh, it's 0 1,000, right? So it's 110,000. So I put it here. It's 0 1,000 plus 0 hundreds, but it doesn't make sense to put 0. 0 plus 2 is just 0. Alright, you have a number in here already. This is 0 tens and 0 ones. So 1 and 1 is 2, is really 10,000 plus 10,000. You're adding to get 20,000. Alright, so you remember using this column, this table with this column, to add these base 10 numbers.